Okay, what do we need to be able to trade successfully? I mean, that's the key question that everybody should be asking themselves. First of all, to be able to trade well, you've got to be stress-free. And by stress-free, I mean when you're in the market, it can be stressful when you're day trading because there's always the risk of losing money, and nobody likes to lose money. So the key is the less time in the market, the better. You want to be able to trade stress-free, and by stress-free, I mean that means you've got to believe in your signals and know when you should be trading and when you're not trading, and have a firm set of rules that you follow. Our Fibonacci power zones are very, very important areas where prices should stop and reverse. They act as support and resistance. We calculate automatically our Fibonacci extensions, and automation, of course, is very important these days because of the speed of the markets. You should always check every day before you start trading what the daily news is coming. You must know what's in front of you because the news does impact these markets. And if you're not aware of what's going on and what news is out there, you're liable to be finding yourself trading right into the teeth of a very important report that's coming out that could cause the market to violently react. And if you're not aware of it, you can get stuck pretty quick. You also need to know and should have some idea when to stand aside because the market's too choppy, and you need some mechanism to be able to pull the trigger to enter a trade. So once you know the setups and the areas, and then you've got to have a mechanism that enables you to pull the trigger and enter a trade. So what it comes down to is you got to know the areas, you've got to have triggers, and you must have a plan.